Hello everyone, this is Rosina Amolik from Fellowship Mission School. In this video, I am going to cover a chapter of grade 11th, chapter number 2, that is data representation, basic concept. Topics to be covered are introduction, digital number system, decimal number system, binary number system, number conversions, decimal to binary, binary to decimal, representing characters in memory, ASCII code and Unicode. So one by one we will cover all the topics of the chapter. So first is introduction. A computer is a system of hardware that performs arithmetic operation, manipulates data and make decision. And this hardware is responsible to perform various operations. Quantities are measured, monitored, recorded, manipulated, arithmetically observed, or in some way utilized in most physical item. Now all the quantities have some measuring, you can measure it, you can monitor it. Similarly, in digital system like computer, the quantities are represented by symbol called digits. It means that physically how you can measure the quantity. Similarly, if you want to represent quantities in digital system, those symbols are called as digits. Many number systems are in use in digital technology that represent digits in various forms. So this number system are used to represent digits in various forms, in different forms. The most common are decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal system. This chapter will discuss this number system and the physical representation of digit in computers. So in this chapter we are going to study about the representation of digits in computer. So digital number system. What is digital number system? So now digital number system, in that first one is decimal number system. The decimal number system is composed of 10 numerical symbol, that is deco means 10. That is why this system is called as decimal system. Now whenever you talk about decimal composed of 10 numbers or 10 symbols. So combination of this 10 symbols or this 10 number is called as decimal number system. These 10 symbols or number are 0 to 9. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Combination of all these 10 digits will be called as decimal number. Using these symbols as digit of a number, we can express any quantity. The decimal system is also called as base 10 system because it has 10 digits. Now it consists of 10 digits, so it is also termed as base 10. The decimal system is a positional value system in which the value of a digit depends on its position. So depending on the position, whether it is on units, 100, tens, depending on the position, that value has been determined. For example, consider the decimal number 729. We know that the digit 7 actually represents 700. The digit 2 represents 2 tens and the digit 9 represent 9 units. The 7 carries the most weight of 3 digits. It refers to as the most significant digit. तो उस डिजिट को हम क्या बोलते हैं? MSD. MSD means what? Most significant digit. The number that carry the least weight, that is the last number, is called as least significant digit, that is LSD. We will see one example. The number 2512.1971 is equals to this. Now how we are getting this, we'll see. Now you can see here, this is the number and this is the decimal point. Okay. So here the first number will be the most significant digit and the last number will be least significant digit, that is LSD. Now you can see here the very first point from your decimal, the left side, is your raised to 0 power, and the part after your decimal, that is the fractional part, has raised to power as minus, and the real number has raised to power as positive, that is plus. So here 10 raised to 0, 10 raised to 1, 10 raised to 2, 10 raised to 3. And here 10 raised to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. See here you can see this number into 10 raised to 3. See 2 into 10 raised to 3 plus 5 into 10 raised to 2, 1 into 10 raised to 1. Now this is called as your positional value. Okay, so this was about your decimal number system. Now next we will see binary number system. In the binary system, there are only two symbol or possible digit, that is 0 and 1. Now whenever we talk about binary, binary has only two values, that is 0 or 1. Even so, this is also called as base 2 system. It is used to represent quantity that can be represented in decimal or any other number system. Now it has only 2 digits, so it is also termed as base 2 system. Decimal had 10 digits, so it was termed as base 10 system. The leftmost bit carry the largest weight and hence it is called as most significant bit. Okay, the very first bit will be called as MSB. The rightmost, that is the smallest weight, will be called as LSB, that is least significant bit. In binary number system it was most significant digit, that is MSD, but here it is bit, that is most significant bit, MSB. The sequence of binary goes 00, 01, 10, 11 and so on. We will see one example, 1010.0101, which is equals to this series. Now we will see the series explanation of this series. The same number, the binary point, the very first number is your MSB, that is most significant bit. The very last number is LSB, that is least significant bit. Now here are the positional values. That is the part before your binary point will have positional value as positive, and the fractional part of the number will have positional value as negative. So here 2 raised to 0, now we are using 2 here because we are dealing with binary number. So 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. Similarly 2 raised to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. So here we have to multiply the positional value with the digit, that is 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1. Similarly, the series will continue. So this was about your binary number. Now to find the decimal equivalent of above shown binary number, we simply take the sum of product of each digit value, that is 0 or 1, and its positional value. So here we will see now the same example, or you can say the same binary number we are using, that is 1010.0101 to the base 2. Now whenever I am writing to the base 2, it means that is a binary number, which is equals to 1 into 2 raised to 3. You have to add it, plus 0 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1, so on. You will get 1 into 2 raised to minus 4. Now here we will see 2 raised to 3 is 8. 1 into 8, 8. Plus anything multiplied by 0, you will get answer as 0. Plus 2 raised to 1. 2 raised to 1 is your 2. 1 into 2 is 2. Plus anything multiplied by 0, you will get as 0. Again 0 plus 0.25 plus 1 into 2 raised to minus 2. 1 into 2 raised to minus 2 is 0.25 plus whatever multiplied by 0, answer will be 0, plus 2 raised to minus 4 is 0.0625. So after getting this value, you have to add all the numbers and you will get the final answer, that is 10.3125. Therefore, if I want to represent my binary number into decimal, this is how we can represent your binary number in decimal form. See here 1010.0101 to the base 2, which is equals to 10.3125 to the base 10. To the base 10 means it's a decimal number. Now I will explain you how to calculate the minus, or you can say negative raised to term. Here this 1 into 2 raised to minus 2. This term will be evaluated as 1 into 2 raised to minus 2, which is equals to 1 into 1 upon 2 raised to 2, that is reciprocal of the number, which is equals to 1 into 1 by 4, which is equals to 0.25. So this is how you will get the number. Next is 1 into 2 raised to minus 4. The same way you will be doing it. 1 into 2 raised to minus 4 is equals to 1 into 1 upon 2 raised to 4, which is equals to 1 into 2 raised to 4 is your 16. So 1 upon 16, which is equals to 0.0625. And this is how you can convert your number, your binary number, to decimal number. Next is your octal number system. This number system represents numbers using 8 digits, that is 0 to 7, which have any possible combination from 0 to 7 will be termed as octal number system. Octal means 8. So number in octal number system goes as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Similarly, after 1, 7, it will be 2, 0. As you most have noticed that digit 8 and 9 are not recognized in the octal number system. Next is hexadecimal number system. This number system represents numbers with 16 unique symbols, that is 0 to 9 numbers and A to F characters. So 0 to 9, and after 9 it will be A to F. After that it will be 10 to 19 and it will be 1A to 1F. And after that 20 to 29 and 2A and 2F and so on. So this is how we represent hexadecimal number system. Now according to your syllabus, in this chapter we are only going to cover decimal number system and binary number system. Now we will see a small video which will give a short explanation on digital number system. So this was the short video on decimal number system. Now we end with the topic over here, that is digital number system. Hope so this video is useful for you in your studies. Thank you.